Imagine this. You're sitting at home. You want to practice English. But there's no teacher, no friend, and no one to talk to. What do? Do you wait for a class? Do you stop learning? No. Now, you can chat with someone who never sleeps, never gets tired, and always helps you. That someone is ChatGPT. ChatGPT is not a person. It's a smart computer that can help you learn English anytime you want. Morning? Yes. Night? Yes. Middle of the day when you're eating noodles? Yes, you can ask ChatGPT to explain grammar rules, teach new words, practice daily conversations, correct your mistakes, even tell you funny stories. Let's see how it works. You type, "Can you help me practice English?" ChatGPT says, "Yes." Let's begin. What would you like to talk about? You say, "I want to talk about my school." ChatGPT, "Great. Tell me about your school. What do you like there?" Now you're talking, learning, and feeling more confident. And the best part? You can make mistakes, and ChatGPT will gently show you the right way. Like this. You say, "I go school yesterday." ChatGPT says, "Nice try." The correct sentence is, "I went to school yesterday." That's how we learn. Step by step. One sentence at a time. So how can you make the most of ChatGPT? Tip 1. Talk to it every day, even for just 5 minutes. If you want to learn English fast, you don't need to study for hours. You just need to be regular. That means you should use English every day. Even if you have only 5 minutes, use those 5 minutes to talk to ChatGPT. Why 5 minutes? Because small steps every day are better than big steps once a week. Your brain remembers better when you do something often. And 5 minutes is easy. You can do it before school, before work, or before sleeping. You can say, "Hi, ChatGPT, how are you today?" Or, "Can we practice English today?" Or even, "Tell me a short English story." The important thing is to stay in touch with the language. Think of it like watering a plant. If you water it a little every day, the plant grows. But if you forget to water it for many days, the plant becomes dry. Your English is the same. Chat for 5 minutes every day, and your English will grow strong and healthy. Don't wait for the perfect time. Start with what you have. Even in the middle of a busy day, you can talk to ChatGPT for 5 minutes. And when 5 minutes becomes fun, you may want to talk for 10, then 15. Soon, you will be speaking better English without feeling tired or bored. So remember, 1. Small chat every day can make a big difference. Tip 2. Don't be shy. It won't laugh at you. Many people feel nervous when they try to speak English. They think, what if I say something wrong? Or, what if others laugh at me? This fear stops them from learning. But here's the good news. ChatGPT never laughs, never judges, and never gets angry. You can make 10 mistakes. You can write wrong grammar. You can spell something badly. It's okay. ChatGPT will still reply kindly. It will help you fix the mistake, and it will encourage you to try again. That's why it's a safe place to practice. You don't need to feel shy. You're not in a classroom. You're not on stage. You are just having a quiet, private chat with a friendly AI. You can type slowly. You can ask simple questions. You can say, "I don't understand. Please explain." And ChatGPT will explain again, in a way that is easy to understand. Even if you make the same mistake again and again, ChatGPT will not get tired. It will stay patient. It will help you again and again. This is very helpful for people who are afraid to speak in front of others. With ChatGPT, you can build your confidence. You can practice in peace, and slowly your fear will go away. Soon, you will feel more confident to speak with real people too. So don't be shy. Don't worry. Just mistakes are part of learning, and ChatGPT is your friendly helper on this journey. Tip 3. Ask it to check your English. One of the best ways to improve your English is to ask for feedback. That means ask someone to tell you what is right and what is wrong. And guess what? ChatGPT can do that. You can write a sentence or a paragraph and simply ask, "Can you check my English?" Or, Please correct my mistakes. And ChatGPT will show you what needs to be changed. It will also explain why. For example, you write, "Yesterday I go to ChatGPT replies, "Good try." But the correct sentence is, "Yesterday I went to the market." Because yesterday is in the past, we use the past tense went instead of go. Now, you not only know the right answer, you also understand why it is right. This helps you learn faster and remember longer. You can ask ChatGPT to check your sentences, short stories, conversations, homework, even your messages in English. It's like having a teacher who is always ready to help and always gives kind, clear feedback. And here's a fun idea. After ChatGPT checks your English, try again. Rewrite the same thing, but better. This will make your writing and speaking stronger every day. So don't be afraid of mistakes. Use them as a tool to grow. Let ChatGPT guide you, step by step. Remember, every corrected sentence is one step closer to fluency. Tip 4. Try new topics like travel, food, or dreams. Learning English doesn't have to be boring. In fact, it becomes easier when you talk about things you like. That's why you should try new and fun topics with ChatGPT. You can ask, "Can we talk about my favorite food?" "I want to learn English words about travel." "Can you help me describe my dream house?" "Let's talk about animals," or school, or movies. When you talk about different topics, you learn new words, phrases, and grammar naturally. For example, if you talk about food, you will learn words like taste, spicy, sweet, and delicious. If you talk about dreams, you will learn words like hope, goal, future, and plan. It also makes learning fun. You are not just reading boring grammar rules. You are using real English for real things. ChatGPT can help you create conversations, ask you questions, and even tell you stories about your favorite topics. Let's say you love animals. You can ask, "Tell me a short story about a dog and a cat." Or maybe you enjoy cooking. Say, "Teach me English words used in the kitchen." This way, you connect English with your life. It becomes more meaningful, and you remember it better. Also, changing topics keeps your mind fresh. You won't feel bored or tired. You will be excited to learn more each day. So don't just stick to one topic. Explore. Be curious. Try something new every time you chat with ChatGPT. The more you explore, the more you learn naturally. Remember, English is not just about books. It's about practice. And with ChatGPT, you can practice anytime, anywhere. So what are you waiting for? Open ChatGPT, type your first message, and begin your English journey today. And if you want more fun, easy English lessons, subscribe to The English Class, where stick figures make English simple. Let's learn together. Let's grow together. Let's speak English.